My name is Jessica Bell. I am one of the co-owners of Touch MedSpa, and today we are talking about post-procedure products, the best way to calm your skin down and heal your skin after any kind of laser treatments. One of the key factors to healing your skin after a laser treatment is going to be a cleanser. This is Soothing Cleanser. This cleanser contains botanicals such as orchid and cucumber extracts. It is also paraben, sulfate, fragrance, and alcohol-free, so it's very gentle on your skin, and it is the perfect cleanser to just soothe your skin after a laser treatment. This cleanser is very simple to use. The dosage for your product is going to be 1 pump. You simply pump it into your hand. You're going to rub your hands together, and then you're going to wash your face for approximately 30 seconds. And then rinse it off with cool to lukewarm water. The next product we recommend is the CE Ferulic by SkinCeuticals. To use this product, you're simply going to take about 2 to 4 drops, depending on how much you need for the size of your face. And you simply dab it onto your face, and then you're going to let it dry and then move on to your next product. The next product we recommend is the Phytocorrective Mask. This product contains thyme, olive leaf, and cucumber extracts, as well as hyaluronic acid and a calming complex. So to use this product, you're gonna take about a nickel size amount, and you're just gonna rub it all over your face and apply a nice layer of this all over your skin. And then we actually recommend that you sleep in it. It's gonna give you a lot of hydration and calm your skin throughout the night. The next product we recommend is the Physical Fusion UV Defense. This is gonna be your mineral sunscreen. It's got titanium dioxide and zinc oxide